Here is how to view sensitive content on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So, if the X application is blocking content labeled as sensitive or adult, here's how to say it. You can't do this in the X app itself. You'll need to use a web browser like Safari or Chrome. This method works the same way on any device, which whether iPhone, Android, or computer. So, go to x.com in your browser, make sure that you're logged in, but do not open the app. Stay on the website. So, tap on the More icon from the left hand side of the screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Now select Privacy and Safety, which is between security and notifications. Tap on Content You See, which is between your post and mute and block. From the menu that appears, select the box of Display Media that may contain sensitive content. And after you've done that, close the X application completely and reopen it. You should now be able to see sensitive contents. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.